Let's practice. So, task 1, test. Circle the correct answer. In the morning, 11 p.m. or 11 a.m. In the afternoon, 5 p.m. or 5 a.m. Let's check. In the morning, 11 a.m. In the afternoon, 5 p.m. Third question, in the evening, 7 p.m. or 7 a.m. Fourth question, when do we say good morning? A, B, C, which one is correct? So let's check. In the evening, we say 7 p.m. We say good morning from 6 a.m. to 12 a.m. Fifth and sixth questions. When do we say good afternoon? When do we say good evening? So, we say good afternoon from 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. We say good evening from 6 p.m. to 12 a.m. So, we say good evening till we go to the bed, yeah? Seventh question. If someone says, how do you do? You can reply, hi, how are you? How do you do? Yes. If someone says, how do you do? You can reply, how do you do?